Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdullah Jansori. I am from 5 semester of English educational program in Hamzanwadi University. And in this video, I will presentation about my thesis proposal with title The Impact of Double Puzzle Media to Enhance Students English Vocabulary Mastery SMPN 11 Sakra. Okay, in this slide, table of contents. In the chapter 1, which introduction, there are background of study, focus of study, purpose of study, and significance of study. In the chapter 2, review of literature, there are definition, learning media, definition vocabulary, relevant research, theoretical framework, research hypothesis. And in the chapter 3, methodology of research, there are research design, research setting and subject, identification of variable operational definition, and technique of collecting data. Okay, in the chapter 1, which is introduction, the first one is background of study. Pinter Suhendan 2013 explained that in children younger than 11 to 12 years old with favorable circumstances have likely to be more fluent in a Korean foreign language, even like native speaker without any action. Vocabulary is the main component that must be taught in learning English. The next one is focus of study. In my thesis proposal, my focus study is does SMPN 1 Sakra's use of double puzzle media help students become more proficient in English vocabulary. And my purpose of study is to determine the effect of using double puzzle media on the improvement of English vocabulary mastery of 9th grade student of SMPN 1 Sakra. And the last one is significance of research. This research is expected to provide the following benefits. The first one is theoretical benefits. Contribute the ideas to teacher to use double puzzles game media in the learning process. The second one is practical benefits. For school, it can provide info to school to improve the quality of education in the learning process. And for teacher is it can provide input to teacher in improve English vocabulary in learning process, which is used more effectively during the learning process. And chapter 2, review of literature. The first one is definition of learning media. According to Ali 2010-89, learning media is defined as everything that can be used to channel message, stimulate the thoughts, balance, attention, and willingness of students so that they can encourage the teaching and learning process. Learning media can overcome the limitation of the sense, space, and time. Okay, the next one is definition vocabulary. Vocabulary is word that people understand both its meaning and use. Susanti 2289. Meanwhile, according to Setiadi in Setya Ningsih 2012, 11 vocabulary is a set of words that are known in meaning and can be used. Set of words whose meaning is known and can be used by someone in their language. Next one is relevant research. Research 1. Research conducted by Saadah et al. 2010 in a journal with the title The Effect of Scramble Games on Improving the Reading Ability of Dyslexic Children. Research 2 by Ristanto et al. 2014 in a journal with the title Increasing Vocabulary of Japanese Language Through Media Scramble Game. The next one is theoretical framework. Student at SMPN 11 Sakra in mastering vocabulary in English vocabulary mastery, some are high and some are low. For students whose mastery of English vocabulary can use double puzzle media so that the mastery of vocabulary to increase, so that the mastery of English vocabulary is high. The next one is research hypothesis. Sugiono 1989 hypotheses are temporary answer to formulation or research problem. It is said to be temporary because the answer given are only based on theory and have not used back. The hypothesis of this study is that there are an effect of using double puzzle media on improving mastery of English vocabulary in English subject at SMPN 11 Sakra School. Okay, chapter 3, methodology of research. The first one is research design. The research design used is experimental research. Experimental research is research that is intended to determine whether or not there is an effect of something that is imposed on the research subject. Research setting and subject. The first one is population. Population is a large group of individuals who have the same general characteristic. According to Sugiono, 2010, 90, population is a generalization area consisting of object or subject that have certain qualities and characteristics that are determined by researchers to be studied and then draw conclusion. The population used for research is all 9 grade students of SMPN 1 Sakra. The next one is sample. According to Sugiono, 2010, 91, the sample is part of the number and characteristic of the population. The sample is part of the population that has the same characteristic as the population. The sample used for this research is class 9 student of SMPN 1 Sakra, 3 totaling 20 student. Okay, next, identification of variable. Research variable are anything in the form of anything that is determined by the researcher to study so that information about is obtained. Then conclusions are down. Sugiono 2014-38. In this study, the variables are independent variables which media double puzzle, and the dependent variable is English vocabulary. Okay, next, variable operational definition. The first one is English vocabulary mastery. English vocabulary in this study is one of aspect of a language that is very important. Vocabulary is defined as vocabulary. And the second one is double puzzle media. Double puzzle learning is a word arrangement game using a board to collect the highest points. They are various and double puzzle media learning, which will be used in this researcher is a double puzzle media with simple English vocabulary material. And the last one is technique of collection data. Data collection is an important step in the scientific method. Data collection, according to Sugiono 2010, 62, can be done in various settings, various search, and various ways in an effort to collect data. The data collection technique used in this study are test. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.